Morning, bikers. This is Rick. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Today is Thursday, September 23rd, 2021. Started a bike ride at 24 minutes after 10. I waited a little bit to give the temperature time to warm up a couple degrees. I'm riding the Canyon Endurace CFSLX bike today. Weather, speaking of the weather, 76 degrees fair. Wind is out of the southeast at 4 miles an hour, a whole lot less than yesterday's 17, 18 miles an hour plus 27 mile an hour gusts. Hi. This morning when I got up it was 54 degrees, or a little less than 54 degrees. Hasn't been that cool since springtime, I don't believe. But I do believe. Today's route, I'm going to go south through Atascocita and through Walden, across Lake Houston to FM, and go to Fair Lake Drive south, or Fair Lake Lane south, hold Atascocita Road to FM 2100, and then north to Hoffman, and then back to Kingwood. Probably 32, 33 miles. Riding south to southeast on Kingwood Greens Drive on my way to West Lake Houston Parkway and south across the river. I'm on the bridge over San Jacinto River, Lake Houston. Love the blue sky. To the Atascocita Hike and Bike Trail, riding southeast. You're right. Just turned on the Fair Lake Lane going south, and there's the biker, the cyclist. I was wondering if a lot of times on Thursdays I see my other cyclists, one or two over here. Riding north on the new FM 2100 lanes. Not sure exactly how far I'm going to get before I can move over to the other lanes. They're just finishing pouring the one lane headed north towards the railroad tracks. go across over there.